Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and disable and how to use Now bar on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So I'm gonna explain what Now bar is, but first let's make sure it's enabled. So let's go to the settings, then go to my lock screen, and here we can go to the Now bar and make sure that it's enabled, and this will give you some information like about many different things. It'll also be a media player if you're playing any media, but if you're not, then it'll show you some notifications about sports, health, and all of that. So you can see now it shows me the weather, I think. So no, I don't know. Let's try going further. Okay, so it's about the mental health now. As I've clicked on it, it has disappeared, and then there will be something else later on. So you can just click on that and like read it, some news sometimes, and the music player as well. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.